Hey there! So, imagine you're working on a Python project and encounter a problem. You have a list of different data types that you want to convert into an ast.List object to append it to the main ast tree as a node. But when you try to do this, the parsing fails for each field in the list. What a pickle, right? Now, let's dive into the solution. By utilizing the ast.parse function and the representing function, you can successfully convert your list into an ast.List object. First, you need to parse the representation of your list using ast.parse repr huge_list. Then, you can extract the ast.List object from the module body. By accessing expr.value, you can retrieve the desired ast.List object to append to your ast tree. In summary, we've explored a nifty solution to the problem of converting a Python list into an ast.List object for integration into an ast tree. By leveraging the ast.parse and representing functions, you can smoothly achieve this conversion process. And there you have it. If you found this information helpful, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Remember, coding could be a wild ride, but with the right tools, you'll navigate through any problem like a pro. See you in the next video.